Peace, peace. Welcome to Classy Hippie Tea Company. I'm professional tea sommelier, Leo Hickman. Classy Hippie Tea Company back at you again. Respect and peace. Today, breakfast blends. Today is all about what? Breakfast blends. Why? Because a lot of people are moving away from coffee. Coffee is great for you if you can handle it, but a lot of us can't. The acid is too much for our stomachs. So what do I propose? There's a little known secret in the tea world called pu'erh. Pu'erh is a fermented tea. What makes that special? It has probiotics. Probiotics are going to heal that gut lining, or some people consider it leaky gut. Probiotics help with that. Today we're going to prepare a pu'erh and mint that I call breezy, and we're going to prepare it as an iced tea. Look at those leaves, they're beautiful. Nice golden brown tips. The mint is a perfect addition, gives it a little bit of a menthol feel too. Now the beautiful thing with using a shaker is you get a little bit of froth on the top, but you don't lose anything. It's an immediate iced beverage. And here we go. Look at that. It even gives you a nice brown feel like you would get with coffee. It takes cream and sugar extremely well, but I do not believe you will need it, and it's extremely refreshing. Again, pu'erh has many health benefits, all stemming from it being a probiotic tea, all from it being a fermented tea. Kombucha is also used, or pu'erh is also used to make kombucha, which we also have in bottle form. Again, coffee can be replaced with a pu'erh tea. Why? Because that's probiotics and an awesome kick of caffeine. Check it out. Classy Hippie Tea, www.classyhippieteaco.com, but you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Peace. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Buen provecho.